In the last ZBCN price prediction, we predicted the exact top right here. I said we'll come very soon after we have some downside. We did a short. We took some profit on short, waited a little bit, longed, and took profit on the longs to the exact T. We got the highs. This was the exact level and area I gave you for the ZBCN high. This, by the way, video is no financial advice. I'm just a random dude on the internet, but I will not waste a second of your time. We'll start with the price prediction right now. So just hit the like button, means a lot. So there's a few areas that are important. First of all, bullish scenario right here. We want to break this trend line, and not only that, there's a few other levels that we already broke, and there's other levels that we need to break right now. So the first level we definitely want to break and keep breaking is this one. We break it, we failed, we broke it. We really want to have a good standing right now, and to have a good standing we want to not break this trend line right here, but we want to break this trend line here if we are to move higher. So here is where the liquidations are right now, or ZBCN USDT. We'll go ahead and type that out. We'll check the Bybit liquidations, I guess. So on Bybit, they're probably above the highs. Yeah, 30-minute highs. We have a lot of liquidation. So we'll go to the 30-minute chart, and I want to show you something. A lot of shorts basically have their stop losses from here to here, basically. And what we really want to do is, if we want to push higher, is we want to break this level, break these liquidations, and move upwards. That's basically what we want to do. The other scenario is, if we don't break this, we're going down to this level. These are the two scenarios. There's also one more. We can go ahead, test this level right here, because there's some liquidations here, and then we move towards the upside. These are basically the areas you want to watch out for. So it's not like you just long here. You either short here, long here on the breakout, long here on the breakout, long here, or short here. These are the levels that you should be looking for. You can also be longing on the retest, by the way, right here. You can long here for continuation higher. So these are basically, you can pause the video and look at every scenario that I gave you. These are the scenarios I'll be looking for. So set up alerts here, here, and here. That's basically it. Live with all my heart. If you go to the description of this video, I'll have some really good bonuses for you right now from BTCC. There's an on-court, on-chain celebrating JJJ's partnership with BTCC. Join on-court action, compete for 500 grand USDT prize pool with Jaren Jackson Jr. signed jersey. That's very good if you're a fan. Their prize pool that they've unlocked so far is 70 grand. The futures trading volume is 4 bill. There's people that have an estimated reward of 17 grand, 12 grand. So definitely do check it out. I have the links in the description below for you to sign up. See you next video.